Hello everyone and welcome back to FunMathology. Now today's topic is elements of a polygon. Okay. Now especially students of CBSE course curriculum and obviously ICSE also, you will find a chapter known as Understanding Elementary Shapes. Okay. In that chapter, the beginning, there is an introductory section known as Elements of a Polygon. So you will come across this topic. Okay, and this is very important to to build a base of geometry. Okay, so let's start. Now see students, uh, you know the shapes of a polygons, right? Polygons are different shapes. Now shapes are all around us. Okay, so in houses, in windows, in tiles, in road signs, got it? So in mirrors, in geometrical instruments, so you will find polygons everywhere. So let's understand what makes a shape of a polygon and learn its elements, right? So before going deeper into the elements of a polygon, so let us try to understand and know the definition of a polygon. Now, what is a polygon? Now, a polygon is a closed figure made up of 3 or more line segments, right? So let me repeat it again. A polygon is a closed figure made up of 3 or more line segments, right? For examples, triangles, squares, rectangle, pentagon, hexagon, octagon. See the shapes above in the screen. Okay, so these are all polygons, right? So what is a polygon? So polygon is a closed figure made up of 3 or more line segments, right? Now let's come to elements of a polygon. Now, so before going into the different elements of polygon, let me clear this up. Different polygons have different names. Like a polygon having 3 sides is called a triangle. A polygon having 4 sides is called a quadrilateral, and etc. Okay, so we have taken a quadrilateral. Okay, so quadrilateral means a figure bounded by 4 sides. Okay, and later on we'll be dedicating a single lecture based on the types of polygon, basic types of polygon. Okay, so for our case, to understand the elements of a polygon, we have taken a quadrilateral and we have named it as ABCD, right? So in front of you, the figure that we have drawn is a quadrilateral or a 4-sided polygons ABCD. So always remember students, when you are naming a polygon, so always try to name it clockwise or counterclockwise. So naming of the polygon that you see in the figure is named according to clockwise, right? A, B, C, D, right? So let's come to the first element. Now what is the first element? Sides. A polygon is bounded by linear boundaries. These linear boundaries are called sides. So you can see AB, BC, CD and DA. So these are the 4 sides of this particular quadrilateral in an example, okay, that we have taken. So a polygon is bounded by linear boundaries. These linear boundaries are called sides, and in this particular figure we have 4 sides: AB, BC, CD and DA. Got it? Now see AB and BC, right? So these are adjacent to each other and therefore are called adjacent sides. So AB, BC, eventually see AB and DC are opposite to each other. So AB and DC are opposite sides. So AB and BC are adjacent to each other and hence are known as adjacent sides. AB and DC are opposite to each other and hence known as opposite sides. Got it? So if AB and BC are adjacent sides, so how many adjacent sides are there? So there are 4 pairs of adjacent sides in the given polygon. See AB, BC, 1 pair, BC, CD, 2nd pair, CD, DA, 3rd pair, and DA, AB is the 4th pair. So there are 4 pairs of adjacent side. So here in this quadrilateral, you will have 2 pairs of opposite side, that is AB, DC and AD and BC. Followed student till now? So it's easy, right? So let's go to the next one. So the next element is vertex. Now, what is a vertex? Point at which two adjacent sides meet each other are called vertex. So in this given quadrilateral, there are four vertex A, B, C and D. See here AB and BC meet at B, BC and CD meet at C, so on and so forth. So these are the points at which the two adjacent side meets. So there are four vertex, and A, B, C and D are four vertex. Now always remember the plural of vertex is known as vertices. So we'll say that this quadrilateral ABCD has four vertices A, B, C and D. Okay. Now let's come to the next point. This is known as diagonals. Now, so what are diagonals? The line joining any two non-adjacent vertices are called diagonals. Okay. So quadrilateral ABCD has two diagonals. Now AC and BD, right? So you can see from A to C we have drawn one diagonals because the line joining any two non-adjacent vertices. So A and B are adjacent, but B and D are non-adjacent. So we are drawing a diagonal from B to D and drawing a diagonal from A to C. Hence, in a polygon there are two diagonals. In this given example, we have two diagonals AC and BD. Got it? Now, let's come to the other two elements like interior angle and exterior angle. So in this given figure, see angle inside the polygon like angle ADC, we have marked it, is known as interior angle. An exterior angle formed by extending one side is known as exterior angle. In this case, our case, angle BCA is an exterior angle. Got it? So it's very simple, students. Just follow my instructions. You can pause the video and write the notes if you like. Okay, now as I said, there are different polygons of different sides. Like there are triangle, there are quadrilateral, there are pentagon, there are hexagon, there are septagon, etc. Now how to find out the number of diagonals? So we cannot hope to think to draw a polygon and start drawing it diagonals. It's difficult. So how to find it out? So there is a formula to find out the number of diagonals a polygon has. Okay, so in your screen the formula is given. Number of diagonals is equal to n multiplied by n minus 3 divided by 2, where n is the number of sides in the polygon. So let us take an example. A hexagon has 6 sides. So the number of diagonals in a hexagon will be, just replace n with 6 and the formula becomes 6 multiplied by 6 minus 3 divided by 2. Hence the answer will be 9. A hexagon has 9 diagonals. So you can find out the number of diagonals of other shapes, other polygons. Okay, student, let me know in the comment box how many diagonals a septagon has. How many diagonals a septagon has? A septagon means a polygon with 7 sides. Okay, I guess you have followed my lecture, students. Thanks for watching. Okay, and we'll soon meet with a new lecture.